So I received this comment a few weeks back. Is there any way to do a last name, first name in my rearranged names using Google Sheets? So let's do that today. So given this list, you're now in Google Sheets and you're given this list. So let's say that this is first name, last name. So first is you have to break this into two. So you use split text to columns, and then we select the separator to be your space. Okay, so it's now in two different columns. So let's say that this is your first name and this is the last name, and you want to combine this one in last name, comma, first name, with or without a space. So here, simply type equal, then concatenate, that's C-O-N-C-A-T-N-A-T-E. Then if you want the last name first, then comma, and you want to put a comma as a separator, so that's in quotation marks. If you want to add space, then just click space, then close quotation marks, comma, and then the first name. And close this one, enter, and then simply drag this one or double click. Okay, so this is now arranged in a last name, first name format. I hope that helps.